When an equation includes a number being multiplied by the sum of two or more terms in parentheses, such as in the equation 4 times the quantity z plus 6 minus 7 equals 29, we can use the distributive property to help in solving the equation. The distributive property can be used when you have three numbers, such as a, b, and c, that are in the form a times the quantity in parentheses b plus c. You can distribute the multiplication of a times both the numbers in the parentheses. So a times the quantity b plus c equals a times b plus a times c. This also works for b minus c, meaning a times the quantity b minus c equals a times b minus a times c. For example, if we have 5 times the quantity, 6 plus 3, normally we can add what is in the parentheses, 6 plus 3, which equals 9. Then we have 5 times 9, which equals 45. We could also do this problem using the distributive property, 5 times the quantity, 6 plus 3. But this time, we'll distribute the 5. So we have 5 times 6 plus 5 times 3. Doing the calculations, we have 30 plus 15, which equals 45. Same answer from before. And this distributive property allows us to solve equations that contain a variable. The equation from earlier, 4 times the quantity z plus 6 minus 7 equals 29. The first thing we want to do is remove the parentheses. So we'll use the distributive property and distribute the 4. 4 times z plus 4 times 6 minus 7 equals 29. 4 times 6 is 24. So now our equation is 4z plus 24 minus 7 equals 29. 24 minus 7 is 17. And we have 4z plus 17 equals 29. To get the variable alone, we can first subtract 17 from each side, which gives us 4z equals 12. And next we divide both sides by 4 to get the solution of z equals 3. Next we can check our solution. We plug the value of z equals 3 into the original equation. 4 times the quantity, 3 plus 6, minus 7 equals 29. Add the 3 and 6, which is 9, and now we have 4 times 9 minus 7 equals 29. 4 times 9 gives us 36, minus 7 equals 29. And 36 minus 7 gives us 29 equals 29. So our solution checks out. Now let's do another example that's a bit more complex. 5t minus 9 equals 6 times the quantity t minus 3. In looking at this equation, the first thing we want to do is remove the parentheses. So we'll use the distributive property and distribute the 6. 6 times t equals 6t, and 6 times 3 equals 18. So now our equation is 5t minus 9 equals 6t minus 18. And what we ultimately want to do is get the variable alone on one side, and numbers on the other side. We can start to do that by subtracting 5t from both sides. After doing that, we now have negative 9 equals t minus 18. Next we can add 18 to both sides, and after doing that, we have 9 equals t, or t equals 9, as our solution to the equation. Next we can check out our solution. We plug the value of t equals 9 into the original equation. 5 times 9 minus 9 equals 6 times the quantity, 9 minus 3. 5 times 9 equals 45, and 9 minus 3 equals 6. So now we have 45 minus 9 equals 6 times 6. And doing the calculations, we get 36 equals 36. So our solution checks out. Here are a couple more examples on the screen for you. And remember, the key to solving equations like these is to combine like terms and then get the variable on one side and the numbers on the other side. All right, my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.